I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower.
Hello my beautiful people, how y'all doing today? I'm getting off work. You know, I'm happy when it's off work time. I had so much fun yesterday. Yesterday was nice. I don't have my big bag today, baby. I got my little Lulu with me. I take it with me yesterday on the road trip, and me never have no time to empty it back. So I just carried come work this morning. But I'm about to take back the camera here. I carry it back or give them it back because it not doing what I want it to do. No, I'm serious. The camera is just not giving. It's not. I'm gonna do a video letting you guys know what's up with that camera, but it ain't for me, darling. It's not for me. Not saying it's not for you, but it's not for me. It's not what I want. Okay? But yeah, we are going to stop at Best Buy. Then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna wash this truck or kill me with gas because I full it last night. Drive come back home and now it the half tank, like I can't do it. Me have feeling carry this back too. Just carry it back out of under and tell them take it. Take it because why? Why you need for a drink gas like that? You're thirsty? Okay, that was stupid. Anyway guys, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to think Best Buy. Alright babies, bye. So guys, we are gonna make a stop because I think Kamara is trying to convince me to keep this camera. No, Kamara very techie. Him highly intelligent when it come on to tech stuff. That's what he loves. So he's telling me I should give it a try. Let him tune it up a bit and do this and do that and do all of that. But him not understanding me. I tell him say, like, it's not only the tune up, like the stabilization on it is really not there. There's nothing he can do about that, and we need that. If I vlog, me go vlog, which that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing sit down videos, and I'm not doing taking pictures and all of that, which the camera is perfect for. But for when me I do it, so no. Can I turn here? No, don't do it again. Don't do it. Stand up. Yeah, but so we're gonna see him and see what I'm thinking can do. Okay? So we're gonna stop by the restaurant and probably get something to eat while we're over there too. Probably try something new today, you know what I mean? Because every time I go over there, some run to Jamaica restaurant because the food free. I joke and I try the food free. I try the food nice. I try the food tastes good. Alright, so we're gonna try it. Probably try something else today. And wait upon him. Because if I'm going to take it back, he won't come to make sure so the one me buy and no foolishness. The one me exchange it for no foolishness. Okay, so yeah, this is one fix, man. Anytime somebody somebody drive your car, right? And they come back in, do you have to be doing a lot? Mirror them just now fix back how it for fix. Seat just uncomfortable. No matter how you tweak it. All type of things just are going bad. But anyway, it's always so hard to get a park over here. Because I don't know why. Why them have to have so much car? See me, I don't know. Parking is a bitch in this place. No me have to go way around here, so. And what go back way around this, so. Okay, there, so. And the fact that I have handicap sticker in my car and still can't find a park up close is ridiculous. Back up in this like a bad bitch driver. Talk church. Ooh, look at this. Listen, I'm so proud of myself because 1 year ago we couldn't do that. Not even 1 year, a couple months ago we couldn't do that. I came a far away when it come to driving. Far away when it come on to driving because the backup there was just like a while ago. Good job, Ken. Good job. Anyway, let's go to the market. We talk too much. So guys, we are not gonna be hooligans today. We're gonna actually go through the door that we're supposed to go through because the last time we come we run up over there so like we own the place. But we're not about to do that no more. We are going to go to the right place, alright? Come again.
So, beef, jerk chicken, curry.
I'm gonna try one of each.
That one?
One of each, please. Hey guys, it is Thursday night and I'm going for a drink with the girls. Very simple makeup.
59-year-old wife cheating
And
on him.
This is gonna be the look for tonight. It is Daisy Love, Marc Jacob.
You can't just get up and pick up 32 years of a relationship. That are years of commitment and, you know, the person they come out here will get.
I'm also gonna be using some of my long cone, whatever it's wanna call.
And tell me some if it tap
some of
foolishness. Big woman give on. So, now take back my talk. Big woman give on and young woman give on. Alright?
Alright, I'm gonna take you guys out here. So it's Thursday night and we are going for drinks. Of course. I got some jeans from Fashion Nova. Just some wide-legged jeans. Fit real nice. Lots of stretch. This is an extra large and you saw me big. And this is just a Puma t-shirt. And yeah. The only problem with this jeans is it's too short. I'm 5'9". This is extra large. And it's just right on top of my foot. So I wouldn't like dress up in these jeans just because of that problem. So I'm just gonna wear some flat slippers. It's okay for just the bar, but other than that, no. I don't like that look. But yeah. And another look I don't like about it is this. It is too short. Like my underwear is showing. So I gotta be doing this. I like high-waisted jeans, but other than that, it's nice. I like it. It's comfy, but just some simple gold bracelet and my gold chain, just my everyday gold jewelry, and that's it. I'm gonna get some slippers. So now I'm thinking these would be perfect, right? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. This is perfect. Okay, so I'm leaving. Oh, I need a bag. Hold on. And this is cute. Yeah, very cutesy, very demure. Very mindful. Bye.
I know you complain about something. Alright, stop
circle.
No, another circle this.
It ain't about
Notice
you.
I triangle. A triangle.
No, it ain't
a
about
fucking
you.
circle.
No, it ain't
triangle. The point here and
No,
the
it
bottom
ain't about you.
here.
It ain't about you.
No, it's about us. Watch
No, but
Watch
that's
the
what I'm
triangle.
saying.
Watch the triangle.
That's what I'm saying. Hey.
Not a circle. We don't want nobody here.
And right there.
And right there.
Oh,
triangle.
that's right.
Watch it. Points.
Oh, so what you're saying?
A, B, and C.
All right. So what we're saying is, wanna totally control this young lady.
No, we don't control.
What? Hey, hold on. You can't keep talking.
Control?
I don't do no listening.
All right.
You see, if you're not going to talk,
Well, listen.
So what I'm saying is, wanna totally control this young lady. And where Uno said, it's not what she said. Because that's what I'm saying.
No,
hold on. That's what I'm saying, you know.
May I respond to that one? Our three friends there, right? We signed a contract. If one intoxicated, that a Stacy Carey, Tracy,
all right.
The next two is in fucking control.
All right. So
and if you ever tell us, say you have to go over this stuff.
So where you? So hold on. So here comes the conversation. You intoxicated?
Yes.
Oh,
here we go. So you're out of that. But. Be a gunshot. You have to go over this.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
You see? I'm respectful to the.
Yes, you are.
You know?
You're respectable to the contract.
I'm respectful to the country.
Yeah.
Alright, we are.
And I understand the country.
The sun is awful. I don't even know if you guys could see me, but oh my god, my head hurts so bad. I did way too much last night. This is Wang. This is Wang. Why am I? What the hell? I can't say one. This is one hangover. Water cannot cure. Oh. I'm safe. We never seen another carrier. Just because. Yo. Excuse me. The headache right now is crazy. It's too much. Care dirty bad. Listen. Last night, I went to my boyfriend's house after the club. Stop and get Subway. When my diet, I went in the Subway. Stop and get Subway for the 2 hours. See the Subway them here? Still, I don't know. I've never eaten cold Subway before. I think this is just a waste of money at this point, because we're gonna eat Subway, overnight Subway. But yeah, last night was fun, and now I'm feeling the fun because my head killed me. My head hurt me so bad. I drink water from mine, but nah, help. Oh my God. I just want to go home and go in my bed. We reached home last night. I sleep on my chest for the first time and don't even know. That's how much I was out of it. I'm not supposed to be sleeping on my chest. But I go home last night and I lie down upon my boyfriend just to wake him up because I carry the sandwich him. And this morning I get up at 5. It's crazy. I say, the man wake up this morning and say, little mouse in dead in him sleep. Because I tell you, say, I lay down beside him, you know. I go home, I see him in a couch asleep. And I lie down on top of him just to wake him up. And I remember him waking up and I say, if me alright, and I tell him, yeah, I'm good, and I tell him, so the sandwich is this, and him say, yeah, I remember nothing after that. Listen. What going on, sir? What the fuck was that? Anyway, I wake up this morning. The man say locking breath a lock up. Just imagine my man skinny, and just imagine me on top, 230 pounds on top of the man all night asleep in a makeup, in a same clothes. Them me not take off nothing, me not do nothing. That was out. Just yo, drinking is not good. It's not good. It's fun, but it's not good. You eat the Subway?
The Subway, no, I don't eat it all.
You can't believe
I need to get the tablet, the chocolate.
They're gonna try it.
They're gonna try it.
I'm reaching over here, yeah, take out the tomato.
You better make me bring something for your car.
It's not gonna work, no.
Just in case it don't work and it's to get to stomach.
You know, but that me feel like I got a 6 stomach.
You know, so better with us call it a day and dash them way. You see me? Yeah, cause them are gonna nasty.
Yeah, no, right? We just feel like it's nasty. And
yeah, them are gonna nasty.
listen, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm stressed out. I just can't bother. It's like YouTube just a fight me so. Listen, first me get copyrighted, then me get strike. Is it called strike? Anyway, I got a strike because I went live. I was so excited about the fight with Mike Tyson and Trouble Child or Trouble Boy or whatever my name. So excited. I'm go live, a stream thing. Then I have fun with the people them, and all of us on YouTube send me a message say them go take down the live because it contain basically the content don't belong to me. I didn't know that you couldn't go live or, but anyway, I just did a class so that they would take the strike off my channel in 90 days time. I had to do this little class where they teach you some stuff and a whole bunch of foolishness. But I am here. It is Friday and I have a party to go to tonight, but I'm not sure because I'm tired. I'm going to party the other night and hangover would have killed me. Anyway, me I go home soon, so I'm going to do one little blend up, you know. One little mix up. So, oh no, I can't explain this because YouTube probably blocked me ass. But anyway, I don't know if you're interested in this. If you're not interested in watch it, if you're not interested in move on. But this is how I do mine. And look up mixy. This blender here only use it for this. Not because I want to, but because it have no use. I buy it from Walmart years ago and but it just cheap and not have much use, you know. But it blend this up fine, you know what I mean? It blend this up exactly how I want it. I can't tell you I'm hungry and I don't know if I eat. Like, what time now? 5:44. I eat one Cheez-It. And that's it. Eat one Cheez-It, but I'm hungry doing it, but I just don't know what to eat. And then I didn't cook it either. Sometimes you just can't bother with the cooking. Cook for yourself. I could have get somebody cook for me and now them yap. So guys, if you don't realize, say, I'm back on my phone a video again because the camera never work out for me at all. And I tell you already from the unboxing, the camera kind of heavy. So just imagine adding another lens to it. Like all that excitement, me can't bother with it. Another lens way big and then light and all these things to go with. It's too much. And then the main thing, like I said, the main thing we want is the filter, and the filter now work because it must stand up. If I stand up like this, I talk to no, it work. But the minute I move when I do anything, gone. I don't know, and it get blurry so easily. So easy to get blurry, and I really wanted to carry go Jamaica with me. I know a whole heap of vlogging now go on to Jamaica. I know that not gonna work. The blurry situation then not gonna work. And then turning the camera is kinda, I don't know. Maybe me just don't know if you use the camera. So let me shut up. But I took it back. I end up lose $115. I end up lose. So now me I look on a different camera called oh my god, I forget the name. I don't remember what I'll put it up there. DJI Osmos 3, something like that. So I see them do a side-by-side comparison with it, and it is way more flexible for walk around with it. So tiny, and it comes with its own lenses and everything. It very small. I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but I'm gonna try it. That one is for like call it $700 with, or 700 and something with the creators package, with everything like the mic, the stand, extra battery, because I guess them said the battery on this one don't last long. So yeah, that's what me gonna buy. I'm gonna buy it from Amazon this time, because if you don't want it, I'm gonna send it back to Amazon. I'll get back my full money. Like, what would you take? It's not even 14 days yet, and you take $100 with the people money. But anyway, them send me sign to it. This is why you don't sign to things and don't read it first. But yeah, that's that. I was so disappointed. I want the camera so bad. I don't want it to work so bad. Somebody tell me someone must just go buy one iPhone. It's an iPhone video really good. But I'm gonna try this camera first, and if it don't work, then I just might do that. But anyway, I'll get all of this inside of this, and then I'll get back. Alright guys, everything in there, I'm showing it. Set full. So everything in there. We'll put the cover upon it. It's a blend liquid. I'm not in that. Worthless. So this is the consistency that you want. I may talk to who know what I talk about. Anyway, yeah, that's it. We have 3 buckets from the one you're trading full. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge and then take out one as I go. But take it out, but yeah, what am I gonna eat now? That me have to think, well, you know, some food to eat. I'm hungry. So guys, this is gonna be dinner because I just don't know what to eat. So I just made this. I'm gonna put a little black pepper on that, and that's gonna be that struggle meal. Anyway guys, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please remember to like and subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love.